Imagine a scenario where a company or LLC is about to enter a significant business deal, like acquiring a property or securing a large loan. In this situation, they would need to create a certificate of incumbency to verify the identities and positions of their authorized signatories for the other party involved in the transaction. But how do you create one? In this video, we're going to cover the answer to that and all of the details in between, so keep watching. In this video, we'll cover what a certificate of incumbency is, how it's used, incumbency versus good standing, and the steps to writing a certificate of incumbency. We're eForms, your go-to source for business, how-tos, and more. Click the link in the description below to access your own certificate of incumbency template. First, what is a certificate of incumbency? A certificate of incumbency is a legal document issued by a corporation or LLC that certifies the names and titles of the corporation's directors, officers, and other members of management. It's often used to verify who is able to enter a legally binding transaction on the company's behalf. It's important to note that when creating one, to have your certificate notarized. It may not be a legal requirement in your own state, but it might be required under the laws of the requesting party's state or county. Now that we know what a certificate of incumbency is, how is it used? A certificate of incumbency is used to verify that a person representing a corporation or LLC is authorized to sign agreements. It's often requested by banks when opening accounts or issuing loans, and by foreign organizations during international business dealings. How does issuing work? A certificate of incumbency is issued and signed by the corporate secretary and, if needed, co-signed by another officer to confirm the secretary's position. It usually includes the corporate seal, though this is not required in most states. How is incumbency different from good standing? A certificate of incumbency confirms authorized signatories, while a certificate of good standing shows a company meets state business requirements obtained from the local Secretary of State. Before we go, let's cover the steps to writing a certificate of incumbency. 1. Provide your name and legal information about the company. 2. List the facts that are certified by your certificate. 3. List the names, titles, and signatures of the relevant officers. 4. Describe the relevant powers of the listed officers. 5. Sign the certificate. 6. Have the certificate notarized. And 7. Affix the company seal to the certificate. For full samples and to get access to your own certificate of incumbency template, click the link in the description below. We're eForms, your source for business and how-tos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.